And today we're going to be talking about this right here. And what this is the Syma X200 foldable indoor drone. Now, just because it is indoor doesn't mean you can't fly it outdoors. You just want to be flying it outdoors on a very calm day. It's not going to handle the wind so well, but this is perfect for indoors. It's going to be super easy to control, super easy to fly, and it's going to give you a lot of fun. And it's also going to teach you how to fly drones, because this flies just like the larger drones. So if you can fly this one, you'll be able to fly a big one as well. So let's get into this. Okay, so this is what the box looks like right here. So this is what you can expect to come in the mail. You're going to have your manuals and all that stuff in here. It's also going to come with a charge cord. On top of the charge cord, you're going to get a pack of extra propellers just in case you crash and break one. And if you lose a screw attaching propellers, you're also going to get extra propeller screws as well. Now the little drone, it comes this way. And all you simply do is you flip open the top, and here's the little drone. The case is also the controller. How compact and convenient is that? When you get ready to fly, here's the little drone right here. Just simply unfold the arms out and look at this little guy. How cool is that? And it actually flies really well and is very controllable. It's got a lot of cool little modes, like it'll do flips and such like that. So we're going to get into all that during the flight test. Now this is not a camera drone. There is no camera. This is just simply for flying and having fun with. Now what you have to do when you're ready to fly is you power up the little drone. You see the lights are flashing really quick on there. You're going to power up your controller. And then on your controller side, you're just going to go up and down, and the drone is now active. You're going to set the drone down on a flat surface. You're going to take your two sticks here. You're going to push them both down and to the right. That's going to calibrate the built-in compass in this little drone to help it fly level. Because if you take off and this thing's flying away like crazy, that means it's not properly calibrated. So before each flight, when it's sitting on level ground, be sure just to do a quick calibration. Now some of the other features that this little drone is going to have, you have headless mode, meaning that when you're flying, no matter which way the drone is spun, away is away from you, back is to you, you have right, left, up, and down. No matter how the drone faces, it does not change the controls. That's really good for a beginner, somebody who's trying to grasp the concept of how to fly the drone. You're also going to have multiple speeds. You can start out in slow, then you can go to the second speed, which is a little bit faster. You can do flips. And you also have auto takeoff and auto landing. So just tons of options with this little drone. Okay, now that we've gone over some of the functions and details of this awesome little drone, let's go ahead and do a flight test. So let's get to it. Alright, so you can see this little guy flies quite nicely. You can spin around on your yaw just like a regular full-size drone. You can see how quick it goes side to side. That's in slow mode. We're going to speed it up. You can see now it is much quicker. I'm going to go back to slow mode. If you're outside, I would suggest the faster mode. Alright, we're going to go ahead and try to do a flip. Whoa. Just like that. You got to hold down the flip button. And while you're holding it, you push the direction you want to do a flip. You hold down the, you want to do a front flips, you hold down the flip button and you push forward. And right now we're going to do a back flip. I'm going to hold down the flip button and pull the stick back, and it does a flip backwards. Works very well. And it's just a really controllable drone. Now, it does have auto takeoff and landing. So if you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, it will do it for you. And overall, just a nice little indoor flyer. Let's go ahead and we're going to try the automatic land. Here's a little Syma X200. It's nice the fact that when you're all done, all you have to do is fold the little drone up. You open up your controller case, make sure you turn your controller off, and you drop the drone inside. And there you go. Stick this in a backpack, stick it in your pocket, take it on vacation with you if you want something to do while you're in the room. And like I said, this is a really good way to practice flying larger drones because the controls are all the same. The little drone's quite durable. I crashed it about 4 times. I didn't break anything at all. It even fell in some pretty tight places that I had to move stuff just to dig it out, but that was my error, of course. But the drone was fine. It's going to be durable. It's going to teach you how to fly bigger drones, and you can also come up with little games and challenges in your house on those rainy days to keep you entertained. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.